ready to transform your expertise into a thriving online course. This is your comprehensive guide to launching a successful online business with Kajabi. First, let's map out your course in Kajabi. Navigate to Products and select Courses here. You'll define your course name, description, and categorize it. Think about your ideal student and what they want to achieve. This foundational step ensures a clear path for your learners. Next, build your content. Kajabi makes it incredibly simple to upload videos, add written lessons, quizzes, and even downloadable resources. Organize your content into modules and lessons, creating a logical flow that guides your students from beginning to end. Focus on delivering high-value, actionable information that solves a problem or teaches a skill. Now, let's talk monetization. Kajabi allows you to set up flexible pricing plans, circumflex euros, one-time payments, subscriptions, or payment plans. You can also design compelling sales pages directly within the platform, highlighting the benefits of your course and encouraging sign-ups. A clear, value-driven sales page is crucial for conversions. To ensure a successful launch and ongoing sales, marketing is key. Utilize Kajabi's built-in email marketing tools to create automated sequences that nurture leads and announce your course. You can also promote your course through social media, webinars, and affiliate partnerships. Circumflex euros, all managed efficiently within Kajabi. From concept to cash flow, Kajabi provides all the tools you need to build, deliver, and market your online course. Effectively start your journey to becoming a successful online educator today.